Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, thank you so much for 700 subscribers. I really appreciate. Now let's get into the business here. Umkhokha the case. Hey, Umkhokha. All right, let us start with Khulekani. Khulekani desperately needs Nomkhosi to be by his side. Unfortunately, different church calendars tend to clash and Ugo cannot be there. But Ugai nje uye ibhedlele manje praying for people in hospitals and stuff like that. And people are actually feeling it and receiving the healing. Now, will this make him one of the greatest pastors in KZN as like his brother? Or what's going to happen? But I can see Uguti Norman, the nurses, the doctors, everyone is inside in Dabaga brothers with Khulekani. Pastor Cooks, yeah guys. Yeah, no, speaking of pastors, Uzamxolo noNomafu, they are very excited ngomntanabo ozayo. Like uNomafu cannot wait to go on the delivery session. Like girl is super excited and I am praying, guys. I know it's a storyline. I know my feelings must not be attached. I know, guys, I get it. But I'm praying. But I'm praying for a safe delivery for Zamafu. Like, I'm praying for a safe delivery for Spabusi. I'm like, guys, I'm on 21 days of fasting. They are they're on my prayer list as well. No, we can't. This baby J is going to be born healthy and running. And this baby is going to be born wearing umjudia. Nas. All right. Nobuntu ke decides ukuthi no yena ufuna ukuyohlolwa. Ajabuleke uNdlovu makazwa lezo izindaba ahambe aze ayotshela uphakatha ukuthi hey ngihappy ukuthi ke umntanakho uyazifila uyazitshela unje alright upapa usho ngendaba yakhe. Hayi eQueen yokuhlolwa uNobuntu June July abuza umamzo ukuthi uphi ugirl bathi hayi ugirl so athi nimiyeke kanjani ukuthi ayohlola because benimazi ukuthi bekaso hey as ajive nthengwe kinya konana pina ya piano e1 yana athi mninga na tsena na nika ilimang Ele Nobuntu. Every weekend in, weekend out. But girl even went to Sentin for the whole weekend. No, so who was sleeping with? Guys, like it's so. I don't know. We don't know. All we know is Umamzobe tried to marinate Umazungu. I say marinate. Mazungu could not be marinated. Marinate. Mamzungu could not be. Umamzobe. But when we know when. You love money. You love the root of all evil. We know you. So now what's happening? Take the money and do the right thing. Okay, ati hey! Sindisiwe men. Gezenge gazi lika Jesu or lika Mvelas whichever way. But ngisindisiwe and the way ngisindise ngakhona le ewifunayo can't tholakala. Maqeda lapho athi kuNobuntu waza wena girl, we don't have the whole day. Yo! You know, guys, this is your girl, Disability. I love you. Let's see each other on Monday. Peace. Bye-bye.